What is up, guys? Marco here. Today, Janie's gonna lose some weight. What we got here is the Carbon Creation carbon fiber trunk. I've had this trunk on before. It looks great. Fitment isn't the greatest, but I'm gonna show you how to install this carbon fiber trunk. So the first thing you guys are gonna want to do is obviously pop the trunk. And you're gonna pop all these little tabs that are here to take this piece off. You remove that cover, you're gonna have two bolts, two 10mm bolts there, and two here. And then you're gonna want to take off the latch, which is 10 here and a 10 there. You're gonna want to disconnect the plug and remove it. Your trunk is off. You're gonna want to twist these bump stops off. You got one here and one here. Line it up and screw in the 4 bolts. Install your bump stops. Screw on your trunk latch. And run your plug right through. And finally, plug it in. With every carbon fiber part, it's not going to be a perfect fit. As you can tell, there's a little gap here, but it's not bad. The water is just me testing to make sure no water's getting in the trunk, and there's not. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you on the next one.